In the land of Shinar, long after the great flood had subsided, the descendants of Noah thrived and multiplied. They were skilled and ingenious, with a desire to reach the heavens and leave their mark on the world. They dreamed of building a towering structure that would stretch high into the sky, a monument to their unity and greatness. One day, as the people gathered, their leader, a man named Nimrod, stood before them. He was charismatic and persuasive, with a vision that ignited the hearts of his followers. "Let us build a tower," he proclaimed, "a tower that will pierce the heavens and make us famous across the earth. With our collective strength and intelligence, nothing shall be impossible for us." The people cheered, and the construction began. The tower was to be a symbol of their unity and a testament to their ambition. Day and night, they toiled tirelessly, cutting stones, mixing mortar, and raising the tower higher and higher. They believed that their grand tower would make them equal to the divine. Yet, not everyone in the land of Shinar was content with the construction of the Tower of Babel. A wise elder named Enoch, who had lived through the times before the great flood, warned the people of the folly of their ways. He spoke of the pride that had led to the destruction of the ancient world and pleaded with them to abandon their arrogance. "Listen, my fellow brethren," Enoch implored. "The Creator watches over us, and in our quest for greatness, we have forgotten our humility. We must not challenge the heavens, for it is not for us to be equal to the divine. Instead, we must seek unity through love, compassion, and understanding." But the allure of the tower was too strong, and Nimrod and his followers turned a deaf ear to Enoch's pleas. They pressed on with even greater determination, and the tower grew taller still. One night, as the moon shone brightly over Shinar, something strange happened. The people woke to find that they could no longer understand each other's words. Their once unified language had been scattered into a cacophony of confusion. Workers on one side of the tower could not communicate with those on the other, and chaos ensued. The tower's construction slowed, and soon it ground to a halt. No longer able to understand one another, the people drifted apart, forming separate groups based on their newfound languages. Their once unified vision shattered. The Tower of Babel became a symbol of division and pride. Enoch's words proved true, for the Creator had seen their arrogance and intervened. The people had sought to be like gods, but in their pride, they had forgotten their humanity and their purpose. As the generations passed, the Tower of Babel crumbled, becoming a mere remnant of the once great ambition of the people of Shinar. Yet, the story of the tower lived on, serving as a cautionary tale of the dangers of unchecked pride and the importance of humility and unity. And so, the lesson of the Tower of Babel remains etched in the annals of history, a timeless reminder that true greatness comes not from reaching the heavens, but from the love, compassion, and understanding that unites humanity as one.